Tennessee's recent past offers stark reminders of how volatile our weather can be. In 2008, a tornado ripped through Union University in Jackson, leveling dorms and buildings. No lives were lost, but more than 50 students were injured. Perhaps we've almost become used to it in Tennessee, but spring weather can be dangerous.
Over the last few years, you've noticed a big shift in what they call really the tornado belt or the tornado alley, and it's almost like it's moved directly where we're at now.
And we're kind of in one of those areas where it's a constant threat.
Kevin Rose of UT Extension says the people of Giles County are understandably skittish this time of year about the weather. Those horrible tornadoes that struck northern Alabama about a year ago were just a few miles to the south. Now Rose and TSU Extension specialist Fina Stribling work with local emergency management officials to prepare their community for potential storms. It's part of EDEN, the Extension Disaster Education Network, where the emphasis is to reduce the impact of disasters through research-based information.
And as quickly as they hit, I think folks need to realize that sometimes they don't have seconds to react, so they certainly need to have a plan at home. Where are they going to go? If they've got a storm shelter, can they get to it?
Choose 2 meeting places for your family for after a storm. One could be just outside your home if there's a sudden emergency, and the second just outside your neighborhood in case you can't return to your home. Extension experts also advise that you consider purchasing a weather radio and have a disaster kit ready.
You have flashlight, batteries, water, at least a gallon or 2 of water, canned goods, can openers, and like I say, if you have medication, have a cold pack ready.
One concern is the boy who cried wolf syndrome, that people may not take weather warnings seriously. But in Giles County, they take their preparation seriously.
It all begins at home, and public education or public awareness is where it really all begins.
Extension leaders like to say all disasters are local. They don't want to create fear when it comes to storms, but want the community to be prepared and have a heightened sense of awareness. This is Chuck Denny reporting.